what you doing, how is life? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I have conditioner in my hair and I just rinsed it out. I let it stay overnight so my hair could really get it because I didn't have a deep conditioner. Right now my hair feels very like spongy, light. It feels pretty good and easy to manage. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go with the ManeChoice Proceed with Caution line. Y'all, I was so excited when I seen it because it was nowhere in stores when it first came out. Like, I was going crazy looking for it. And when I was in Walmart, I just saw it on this shelf and I was like, yay! So, I don't even have to tell you. My expectations were through the roof for this. So right now, I'm just detangling my hair to make sure there's no knots in it. And I'm applying the product. When I do my wash and goes, I do the shingle method, which is basically running my fingers just like that. I don't know if you can see my face, but I'm just like, I don't think so. In the back of my hair, it is kind of loose, well, looser than the rest. Like the sides of my hair are the kinkiest part of my head. Right here, the curls are there. It's definitely defining my hair, but I've used products that have given me better definition. Now I'm going up on the sections, and this part of my hair is usually easy to define. However, it wasn't doing that. I don't think this was doing its job. Y'all, look at my face. I'm just like, what the heck? I don't know if it's because I didn't go in with an additional product, because I did want to see how well this gel worked by itself, or if it was because I did get confused between the gel and the edge control. Y'all, I was picking from both because I wasn't sure which one to get. Y'all, don't be like me and just read the instructions. Just read them. They'll definitely help. And here you see me finger coiling my hair, the ends of my hair, just so they could bounce back and look better and more uniform throughout my head. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the ends of my hair are dyed. I did this when I was 3 months big chopped, y'all, biggest mistake ever, and I've been slowly cutting them off, but I do still have a little bit left. Anyways, right now I'm just raking everything and shaking my head. Shaking your head really helps with clumping your curls and making them look more uniform. And this is just a close-up shot of how everything is looking. Y'all, I'm gonna put you on. Talia Wajid, the curling cream, is it. I promise you, if I paired that with this product, heaven. My hair is also very loose in this section of my head, this entire section actually that's left over. As you can see, the sides of my hair aren't as defined as the back were. They're just a tighter curl. Now I'm just shingling the product, and as y'all can see, it's not doing it for me. I'm sorry, but it's not. As much as I love ManeChoice, I love their other products, this one just isn't doing it for my hair. Or maybe I should pair it with something else and then I can get it, because the hold that this gives is amazing and crazy. However, there's a lot of flaking. And that could be my fault because I did use the edge control as well. and it's very sticky right now, guys. During this video I had to wash my hands multiple times because I did not like the feeling of stickiness, and even when I was blow drying it, it was still sticky. So now this is the front section of my hair, which is also very loose, and it's just not doing it for me. I don't know what it is. Maybe I had a bad hair day, or I'm not sure, but it just wasn't working. Right here, I am blowing out and stretching my hair. During this process, my hair did get unsticky. It wasn't as sticky as it was before. I'm sorry, y'all. That's my mom. She wanted to be in it so bad. But yeah, right now I'm just applying lip gloss and putting everything together.
It doesn't look as nice. Mine looks better. You see, don't I look so cute?
You're cute. I told you that already. You don't need all this to make you cute. Come on.
Okay, mommy, can you make up again?
Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. My mom says bye too.